Najlepša hvala seveda tudi moji ženi, ki je pomagala pri tem nastavi.
Choice of the works is partly dependent on the space. The building is really very interesting, and the idea for the exhibition came up October, November, so it was really quite short. So nothing is made especially for this show, although the ceramic work over there, Undergrowth, is the first time I've shown it. And the space, the architectural space, uses a lot of different materials in interesting ways, and the selection of sculptures also uses a lot of different materials in more or less interesting ways. The first time was, well, it's different reasons for different times. The first time, Zdenko Budovinak, who at the time was curator in Moderna Galleria, she's now director, but had a program which was very intelligent. That in a small country, it's hard to make big shows with big artists. So, if you make a program of one work, then you can do shows with almost anyone you want to. And they had this space, the Maya Galleria, where they invited one artist to make one work, or put one work into space. And I thought it was a fantastic program, worked very well. The second time was in '96, was in the context of a proposed gift to the museum in Sarajevo, organized through the Moderna Galleria, but also through other museums in Europe, where I made, I was one of a group of 10 artists who invited to give a work to the new museum in Sarajevo, so which is a very different political context. And this time it's an invitation from actually a Slovenian collector who has some of my works in his collection and is wanting to use this space as a public gallery space.